Yes, No. A First Conversation About Consent by Madison, Jessica Ralli, and Isabel Roxas. This is my body. It belongs to me. I am learning all the names of my body parts. Belly button, butt, vulva, penis, elbows, nipples. What body parts do you know? I am the boss of my body. I like doing things that feel good. What are some things you like to do with your body? It doesn't always feel like I'm the boss of my body. My grown-ups make some choices for me because it's their job to keep me safe and healthy. What are some choices that grown-ups make for you and your body? Sometimes I don't like the choices that grown-ups make for me, and I feel upset. It feels better when grown-ups ask first or let me know what's happening and why. We're all putting on our helmets to keep us safe. Everyone is different. Some people love hugs. Some people would rather blow a kiss. Some people love to get dressed. Others would rather be naked. People like and want different things at different times. Do you ever like hugs? When? The only way to know what someone wants or likes to do is to ask. Asking if something is okay with someone is called asking for their consent. Tickle monster? No! When we ask someone for consent, they might say yes or no. Can I pick you up? Yes! If someone says yes, it means you have their consent. Would you practice saying yes with me? Yes! But if they don't say yes, the answer is no. Would you practice saying no with me? No! When someone says or shows no, it's our job to listen and stop right away. There are lots of ways that people say no when they don't want to do something, so we need to pay extra attention. They might say, "Stop! Not really. Maybe later? I don't know. Maybe. I don't like that. Not today. I'm not sure." Those all mean no. There are lots of ways that people show no, too. A no can be a sound. It can even be silent. How are these kids showing no? Sometimes a yes can change into a no. Everyone is allowed to change their mind. Tell me about a time you changed your mind. It's okay if you hurt someone's feelings when you say no. What you want to do, what you want for your own body matters. Hey! And it's okay if your feelings get hurt when someone says no to you. What they want for their own body matters too. You didn't ask first. What helps you feel better when your feelings are hurt? Sometimes it's hard to say or show no. Grown-ups can help you say no, or help you make a different choice. Would you rather blow a kiss? A hug or a high five? Anima said stop, so don't throw those things at her. We all have the right to make choices about our body. Whether the answer is no or yes, consent feels good. Would you like to read this book again? Well, you can always watch the video again. Here's a bit more information for parents or other adults helping children learn these boundaries. But that was Yes, No, a first conversation about consent by Megan Madison, Jessica Ralli, and Isabel Roxas. And this is EDU Kids Space. Subscribe for more stories, books, and lessons. Hit the bell button so you're notified when I put out new videos. And you can support the channel by clicking on the Patreon link in the video description. I just do this for fun, and this is actually the first book I've recorded in a little while because I've been busy moving to a new state. But I want to pick it up again because I love reading these books for you at home to listen and enjoy and learn. And if you have any books you'd like to hear, send me a message. Thanks.